Hi guys, welcome to Lotus YouTube channel. I'm Divya from Oh My Glow and I created this beautiful bridesmaid look for the wedding season using Lotus makeup. So let's see how I created this look. I'm starting off with the Lotus PROEDIT Glow Strobe Cream and I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face, that is the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, chin and forehead. And I'm going to blend it with the help of a brush. I absolutely love the finish of the strobe cream. It is so natural, dewy, glowy, just how I love my base to be like. I'm only going to apply concealer for this makeup tutorial. So I'm using the Lotus ECOSTAY concealer in the shade Royal Ivory. I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes and I'm also going to apply it on the dark spots. And now I'm going to blend the concealer with the help of a brush. For this particular tutorial, I kept the products very minimal and basic. So I'm going to be using only 5 to 6 different products and we're going to achieve this flawless look. So comment down your favorite makeup product. Time to blush them cheeks. So I'm using the ECOSTAY long lasting silky smooth blush in the shade Rosy Light and I absolutely love this blush. I'm going to apply it on the cheeks and a little bit on my nose. Let's move on to the eyes now. I'm going to use the Lotus ECOSTAY Velvet Eyeshadow in the shade Orchid Fresh. I'm taking dark brown shimmery shade and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eye. I'm now going to take the ECOSTAY concealer and I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to cut my crease. So I would try to make this as perfect and precise as it can get. Taking this beautiful lilac purpley color, I'm going to apply it on the center of my eye and then I'm going to take this light pink color and I'm going to place it on the inner corner of my eye and magically my other eye is also complete. I'm now going to apply the Max Lash waterproof and voluminizing botanical mascara onto my upper lashes and then I'm going to use the ECOSTAY Kajal, which is smudge proof and waterproof, and I'm going to tightline my waterline and then I'm going to again use the mascara to coat the bottom lashes. I'm now going to take this lipstick from Lotus, which is in the shade Cherry Berry, and I'm going to apply it all over my lips and then I'm going to top it off with a lip plumper gloss, which is from the PROEDIT range and it is in the shade Sunkiss Beige, and voila, we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.